Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the document open. Now focus on the objects that need captions. First, click References, then inspect the Captions group so you know where Insert Caption and Cross-Reference live. Select an image or table to update. This ensures Word targets the right item. Once selected, you can choose to insert a new caption or edit an existing one. Make sure your caption label, figure, table matches the item type, because consistent labels drive accurate numbering and cross-references. Now update the caption text and the numbering so readers follow along. Right-click an existing caption and choose Edit field, or use References Insert Caption to change text and format. If you need chapter-based numbers, enable Include Chapter Number and choose Heading Style. This ties captions to document structure. For multiple captions, select the whole document and press Ctrl, plus a then F9 to update field. This refreshes numbering and cross-references. Make sure numbering resets correctly after section breaks. Finish by checking cross-references and saving a backup copy. Once done, select the entire document and press F9 to update field so captions and references align. If a reference shows error or wrong number, click the cross-reference, open Insert Cross-Reference, and reselect the correct caption to relink it. Make sure to save after confirming updates. If things still misnumber, inspect section breaks and heading styles. Incorrect breaks often break caption sequencing, so correct those and update fields again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.